Okay, making gravy for the dog. We're just gonna stir around this for a minute. I'm gonna make sure it's all intertwined. It's about a minute there. We're gonna grab a few pieces of bacon and just put that in there. A few more bacons. Not much. Like, the dog doesn't need much. It's just for give her a little bit of a treat. Yeah, where's the bacon? There we go. Like, it's, yeah, it'll probably kill her earlier, but you know what? If you can't enjoy a little piece of bacon once in a while, that's about a tenth of a gram, I'm guessing. That goes for about 40 bucks on the street. Okay, here we go. Now you let that sit. Okay, it sat for about 3 seconds and it's nice gravy texture. Let's see if she laps it up. Come on, girl. That's Kibble's water and a bit of bacon. Call it gravy. Alright. Looks like it's a winner. Chicken dinner. Sorry, bacon dinner.